First of all, you need to clean the face of customer before the operation. You can use facing cleaner. After cleaning, we need to use cotton pads. Soak the blackhead liquid on the T-beard and the checks. This helps to soften some keratin. And then, with our thermal spray device to open the pores. We can use the device. The cleaning of the device can play a very good auxiliary effect. The time of thermal spray is about 5 to 8 minutes. After spraying, you can perform the following operations. Before we start the operation, we need to moisten the cotton sheet. Put it on the left side and hold it in one hand. We know in the operation is a shaving instrument. His main function is deep cleansing of the face. After we adjust the parameters, first starting from the T-shaped area, like thermal spray. You can spray while operating, or you can turn it off. Let's start with the nose area in the T-zone. The technique is to put the shave on the top and put the left hand against the nose. Press down a little bit in this direction and work down the nose. And some dirty things will be cleared out. We can wipe it off with a cotton pad and then operate the chain. The technique can be operated along the chain sideways and then to the face. Checks and checks are cleared from bottom to top. So you must do it from bottom to top. Be careful not to repeat it in one place. Slowly cleansing is completed. The same operation on the other check. We need to clean it 1 to 2 times. Finally, the forehead can be operated vertically or horizontally. Operate twice. It's over by left and right. Then wipe the shaving instrument clean. At this time, the thermal spray can be turned off. After the instrument is cleaned, we need to wipe off the blackheads and some dirty things on the face. Next, we operate the oxygen injection device. This is a toner or bar water in the oxygen injection device. Click the instrument. To open, start the button. First test the amount of water on the back of your hand. Turn on the switch and aim it at the back of your hand. Shook the back of the hand. Pay attention to the experience. We need to block the customer with our hands. Before starting the operation, try not to let the gas touch the customer's eyes, nose, mouth, and other parts. While operating and blocking it, start from the forehead and gradually move in from the side. Slowly to the chest, chin, and T-shaped area. We can adjust a small amount of water and quickly pass through the T-shaped area. Generally, this step can be done twice. What we just operated is near spray. The effect of the near spray is to replenish water. Another is the far spray. The water volume of the far spray can be adjusted a bit larger. At this time, we don't need to block it. Raise the distance. Spray slowing from the side. Shake gently. After spraying, gently push away the remaining product on the face with your hands. In the next step, we operate facial ultrasound. After adjusting the parameters, click Start to match the facial essence. Put the essence on the face first, and then use the prop to evenly push it away. The operation method is from this part of the chain. From outside to inside. Slowly make a circle and slide operation. When operating, keep in mind that the operating head cannot stay at one position all the time. In places, it must be operated at a constant speed to avoid excessive energy that may cause facing burns. The operation takes 10 to 15 minutes. The current is only 2 amp, which is safe and harmless to the human body. After the operation is completed, you need to wipe off the remaining gel on the face. The next step is to introduce the cold and heat into the probe. First, use the thermal conductivity to do facelift. Adjust the energy to one can be used with red for the use of viral gel or massage cream. The operation starts from the chin up, and the operation method is the same as the previous probe. The operation time is also about 10 to 15 minutes. This operation is for facelifting. Remember not to stay in one place during the operation. because the warmth is relatively high to avoid face burns. Next is the operation of ice arrival, adjusting the energy to -1 will display blue light. After applying the mask, use the remaining essence of the mask to shrink the parts of the face, and after fishing the photoelectric device. If the face appears red and swollen phenomenon, it can calm the skin, eliminate redness and swelling, stick to the face and make a circle. During the operation, remember not to stay in one place during operation. Avoid frostbite. The operation time is generally about 5 minutes. If the redness is obvious, the operation time can be extended. The last one used is a current clip, which is used when the sticker mask is used. When using the current clip, it should be supplemented to help these two wires operate. Hold the stick and insert the red wire. The other end of the black wire is inserted into the side of the current clamp. The customer's hand. Hold the rod with your hands. The method of using the current clamp is to push the red rubber ring nut inside to expose the small clamp, and try it by hand. Clamp the mask underneath. Loosen it. Poke up a small corner of the mask and clamp it on top. The other three are clamped on the chain and checks. Both sides are fine. Don't stick to the skin. The rest is the same as the first one. The energy is also from one start to adjust. It can effectively help the facial essence to better absorb. The operation time is 15 minutes. These are the usage methods of each problem of this instrument. Next is the maintenance of the instrument. After operating each probe, you need to wipe each probe with a damp cotton pad. Do not leave any impurities and dirt in the product. Operate again before you need to use.